Now, first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
Well, we did not make it to the mid-90s today because of the afternoon showers. 92 the high at Mabry, 93 at ABIA. The lows this morning at 75 degrees. Minus the showers tomorrow, though, I'm afraid we're right back up at about 95 or 96 in the afternoon. That rainfall total I told you about right over Camp Mabry, the highest total in the whole area, almost 7/10 of an inch, and that fell real fast. 3 1/4 inches now for the month. We may end up, after all, having a normal June rainfall. We still have half the month left to go, and our average rainfall total in a June is just under 4 inches. So we're looking pretty good so far, although the next 2 weeks looking fairly dry now, looking at the medium range models, with one exception, which we'll talk about in a minute. Surplus for the month, and a little 2010 surplus going on there, too, at about an inch. Unfortunately, this water that fell today from the sky did not land in any tributary headed into Lake Buchanan. So Lake Buchanan, which never fully recovered from the drought, is still 3 feet below average, but holding fairly steady. A ways to go before it would be full. Lake Travis is falling pretty steadily every day now. It's 5 feet lower than it was when it peaked out right at the end of the heavy rain in April at 682, but it's still 6 feet above normal, and so we're not complaining, certainly, about the level out at Travis. Skies tonight are clear over the capital city, 83 degrees. It's warm and muggy right now. Your planning forecast for Friday, it's TGIF almost. 76 at 7 in the morning. We're overcast. Noon, we're 89. And at 5 p.m., about 95 or 96. And I don't expect to see the showers tomorrow that we saw today, and I'll explain that, too, in a minute, if I remember all these things. 82 degrees at Burnett, 83 at Marble Falls, 83 at Johnson City. A metro area tonight, still real warm in Georgetown at 86. On the other end, it's 81 in San Marcos. And our eastern counties, let's check you folks out tonight. 84 up there in Milam County, 83 there in Lee County, 83 degrees, Bass dropping down into Caldwell and Fayette County. It's clear, again, 83 officially here in the city. It's a muggy night. We have a south wind at 5 in town, south-southeast wind at 8 miles per hour at ABIA. Mold count today, it dropped into the medium category, grass low. Allergy forecast for Friday, we'll try to keep it pretty close to the same. Temperatures around Texas, 88 degrees up in Dallas and 83 in Houston. Out in West Texas, 83 degrees in Midland. Little narrow ribbon of moisture, pure tropical moisture, started coming up from the valley today and worked its way right into central Texas and developed those showers right on I-35. The reason for that, look at the absence of any weather out here. High pressure ridge located here, and around that high, we got a nice little narrow tap of tropical moisture. Now, the reason we don't think that'll happen tomorrow is because this high shifting a little bit to the west tonight, just far enough that it may cut off rain entirely in our area tomorrow. Boy, this little tropical wave is still hanging on down here. National Hurricane Center has taken the probability of it turning into a tropical depression from near 0 yesterday, now back up to about a 20% chance. And guess what? This little wave in about a week could be here in the Gulf of Mexico and tracking directly toward Texas. So we're going to keep close eyes on it. All right, tonight, mid-70s. Tomorrow, high temperatures back into the mid-90s. Let's get you through the forecast. In Austin tonight, low clouds coming back in later, 76 the low, 96 tomorrow. Heat index closer to 104, 105. Saturday, 97. Sunday, 97. These are midsummer normals. In fact, early August normals. Monday, 97. And then toward the middle part of next week, a slight chance of showers back in the forecast. Well, wake up with us tomorrow morning on Austin News Today, starting at 5 a.m. Watch for first warning weather and traffic together every 10 minutes.